Hello friends, welcome. Now in this video I'm going to display here the table for categories, the same thing for menus, tables and reservation. And also I want to fix this link here, so we are in the menu but we are highlighting the categories. So let's fix this first. And we need to go in the resources, views, layout, admin layout. Okay, here we have categories and all of that, but I'm going to go to the components, and here we have a nav link. This is from the Laravel breeze. Let's save this as admin nav link and just change the styles. Okay, so let's go now inside the admin layout, and I'm going to copy the link that the categories has. So this link, which is highlighted. Okay, let's copy this one. And if this is active, we are going to add that link. If it is not active, add the second one. Okay, let's copy this and paste it right here. Let's save, close this one, and also open the navigation, because I'm going to copy the link we had here and do the same thing here. Just change not to be a nav link, but X admin nav link. And now we need to change the roads, which is in this case is admin categories index. So let's copy this and paste here and say here categories. And we need to do the same thing for others. So let's copy and remove others here. So okay, copy. This one is going to be for menus, and the same thing here. Second, next one is for the table. Let's say tables, and tables here. And the last one is for reservation. Let's say reservations, and the same thing here. So let's save, go to the browser, refresh, and admin reservation. We don't have this reservation. Let's open the web routes and reservations. We need to say here. Let's save, close this one, refresh, and yeah, we are in the menu and we highlighted the menu. Go to the categories. Okay, categories, reservation, and reservation. Now let's add the table here for all of them. So I have searched and I have found this one. It's a tile in CSS table. Let's copy this. And I'm going to go first to the categories, category controller, and in the index method, I'm going to get all the categories and say category all. Make sure you import the model and add them here. So compact categories. Let's save this. Let's go now to the index in the categories, and here we need to add that table. So paste that, hit save, go to the browser and refresh. Oh, we need to go to the categories, and yeah, here it is, a table. That's okay, but let me open the admin layout. And here, when we add the slot, let's add the width to be full. Save and refresh now. Yeah, now we have full table. The same thing I'm going to do for the rest. So let's copy this and open the index in menus and paste that in. Save, open the index in tables, the same thing here, and open the index in the reservation. Okay, let's save and now open one by one the controllers. So menu controller, and in here we need to get all the menus. So $ menus is going to be with menu and all. Okay, let's add them here. Compact menus, save, close this one, open the table controller and do the same thing. So $ tables and say table, make sure you import that model, all, and add the compact and add tables. Let's save it, close this one, open again the reservation now and do the same thing. So $ reservation and import the reservation model, get all of them and say compact reservation. Okay, let's save and go and check refresh. Go to the menus, okay, tables and the reservation. Reservation, undefined reservations. Okay, refresh, and that's it. Okay, friends, in the next video now we are going to make a CRUD for categories and one by one. So see you there.